Here I've got SHARP B10, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select battery, here it is, and then simply by tapping on this switcher you can activate power saving mode, the normal one. And once you tap on it, you will be able to notice that your device is in low power solution just by looking at the battery icon, which is now yellow. Then you can switch off this mode simply by tapping on the same icon one more time. If you would like to save the power even more for some extreme situation, you can use limit power saving. Simply click on it, take a look how it will look like. It will be all dark and you will be able to use only few of applications. Click on open now if you truly need to save the battery that much, and this is it. This is how you can use your device, in which you can, in this mode you can only use messages, phone, the other camera and the gallery. Then if you would like to switch off this mode, the limit power saver, tap on this icon which is for exit and confirm that you would like to exit this mode. And that would be all. This is how you can save power in SHARP B10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.